So after all those years of being ignored, dismissed, and bullied, the campaign finally came to a head in a massive high court battle. Alan Bates and 554 other subpostmasters finally got their day in court. And the result? Well, it changed absolutely everything.
The verdict was just a complete and total vindication. In 2019, the judge, Mr. Justice Fraser, delivered a blistering judgment. He said the Horizon system was not remotely robust. He confirmed what these victims have been screaming for 20 years. The machine was broken, not the people.
This incredible ruling forced the Post Office to settle the case, paying out £58 million. But here's the catch. After paying the crippling legal fees it took to even get to court, the victims were left with just a tiny fraction of that. So it was a massive moral victory for sure, but real financial justice was still a long, long way off.
But what that court case did was open the floodgates. This is where the real reckoning began. Hundreds of wrongful convictions started to be overturned. The government was finally forced to step in, setting up compensation schemes that now total over £1.2 billion. The true, horrifying scale of this thing was finally out in the open.
So yeah, the High Court battle wasn't the end of the story. It was just the beginning of a national reckoning. The Prime Minister himself eventually called it one of the greatest miscarriages of justice in the UK's history, and that led to some pretty extraordinary measures to try and fix this historic wrong. A full-blown public inquiry was launched to get to the bottom of the cover-up. Then, the government did something pretty much unheard of. They passed a new law to just wipe out all the convictions in one go, something that normally only the courts can do. And on top of all that, there's now a criminal investigation looking into whether the executives who oversaw all this actually broke the law themselves.